First of all, you need to download and install the NordVPN application on your Android device. Tap on the Play Store. Enter NordVPN in the search bar and select the NordVPN app. Tap Install. When the application is installed, tap to open it. You will see the main menu of the application. Click on Start Free Trial. Type in your account details if you want to create one, or tap on I already have an account and log in with your NordVPN credentials. If you are logging in for the first time, you will get a notification about our new CyberSec feature. Turn on the feature by clicking on the Turn CyberSec On button. Find out more about the CyberSec feature below in the video description. You can now connect to a server with the Quick Connect button. Using a complex formula that includes various server parameters, Quick Connect chooses the best server for you at any given moment. You may be greeted with a few explanatory and warning messages. They are the default Android warning messages for VPN connections, and once you read through the explanatory messages, tap the green button to proceed and accept the warnings. They may also require you to mark a checkbox in the window. You can also tap any of the country pins and quickly connect to a server from that country by tapping the Quick Connect button. Alternatively, tap on the Pick a Server option and select a specific server to connect to. Once connected, you will see a green bar pop up in the application indicating a successful connection. With NordVPN up and running, you can enjoy private and secure internet browsing. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates and new tutorials.